Today I'm going to show you how to open a sliding door. All right here is a sliding door to get onto the balcony. I'm going to show you how to unlock it and open it for this specific sliding door. Your door may be a little bit different, so take that into note. All right, so what I'm going to do is, you can see the door, the sliding door right here. I'm just going to walk up to it and I'm going to push on it, but it is indeed locked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this lever. Make sure it's closed first so the lock can actually open. Pull it like that, all the way up. Did you hear that? And then I'm able to slide open the sliding door. And then there's a screen door. Make sure that it's down. That means it's unlocked. If I want to lock it, put it up, close it. But I guess it's not shut all the way. Something's wrong with this. But either way, I was able to open up the sliding door. And when I'm done, I'm going to close this. All right, and then I am going to push it down to lock it. And as you can see right there, the sliding door is locked. Let me know if you have any questions.